In this video, we are going to solve the problem if a is the smallest natural number such that the expression a plus 2a plus 3a up to 99a is a perfect square, then find the value of a square. Let's consider the expression a plus 2a plus 3a up to 99a is equals to x square, where x belongs to positive integers. We have a common in all these terms, hence taking a common gives a multiplied by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 99 equals to x square. The formula for the sum of n natural numbers is n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. Here we have n equals to 99. Hence, this gives a multiplied by n is 99, 99 multiplied by n plus 1 is 100 divided by 2 equals to x square. This gives a multiplied by 99 multiplied by 50 equals to x square. Prime factorization of 99 and 50 gives a multiplied by 99 is 11 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 50 is 2 multiplied by 5 square equals to x square, which we can write as 3 square multiplied by 5 square multiplied by a multiplied by 11 multiplied by 2 equals to x square. Now this is already a perfect square, and we have to make this value a multiplied by 11 multiplied by 2 into a perfect square, so that x square will be a perfect square. For a multiplied by 11 multiplied by 2 to be a perfect square, the minimum value of a should be 11 multiplied by 2, because both 11 and 2 are prime numbers. Hence, in order to make this a perfect square, we have to take a as 11 multiplied by 2. This is the minimum possible value. Hence, a is equals to 11 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 22, and a square equals to 22 square, which is equals to 484. Hence, 484 is our answer.